गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स. हाय, दिस इज ज्योति मैम. आई होप आप सभी ठीक होंगे. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी द चैप्टर reproduction in animals. I am giving a brief interview of this chapter. So the topics to be covered in this chapter are introduction, modes of reproduction, sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, we will study the male reproductive organs, the female reproductive organs, fertilization and embryo development. While in asexual reproduction, we will study binary fission and budding. So, what do you mean by the word reproduction? Let us start with some basics. Students, the word reproduction is itself broken down into two parts, re and production. The word re means something to do again, like the word repeat, like the word rewind. Repeat means something to do again. Rewind means to trace back. Okay, similar is the word reproduction, to produce another organism again and again. So what is reproduction? The process by which living organism produce new organisms similar to themselves. Okay, generations after generations. So you might have seen that an elephant always give birth to an elephant, not a fish, right? So there are a huge variety of organisms, living organisms on this earth, such as insects, birds, plants, animals, and so many. They all do not reproduce in a similar manner. They all reproduce by different mode of reproduction. So that we will study later on. So the thing is, the individuals produce the young ones quite similar to them. Quite similar to them. So what do you mean by the word similar here? The word similar do not means that the individuals are exactly identical to the parents. So for example, if we take a baby, that will not identical to his mother or father. He will look similar means he will certainly have two eyes, one nose, one body structure, same body structure. So they will look similar to their parents, not identical to them. No two individuals are identical to each other. Only the twins are identical, right? So they will have some basic difference which will help us to distinguish between two people, because no two people are identical to each other, right? So next, what is reproduction? Why is reproduction necessary? You know that reproduction is a life process. Reproduction is a life process, one of the life process. What are certain other life processes? The first thing is nutrition. Second is respiration. And the third one is excretion. Right? The fourth one is growth and development. Fifth one is reproduction. So as you can see that these nutrition, respiration, excretion, circulatory system, circulation, growth and development, these are all necessary life processes, right? So इनके बिना organism may not survive. These are necessary life process. But in case of reproduction, it is not necessary for an individual. He may survive without it. Like reproduction अगर नहीं भी होगा तो भी individual survive करेगा. But why we actually need reproduction? That we are going to study. Why is reproduction necessary? That we are going to study now.